Hello, I'm Davis from Aribabox, and today we are going to assemble a Christmas tree. For this project you will need a sheet of 12mm plywood. As a woodworker, you know that CNC router needs a design file. In this Christmas season only, we offer free Christmas tree design for every $10 purchase. On our website, choose a piece of furniture like crafting table or storage shelf, or something dynamic like scooter for adults or rocking horse for kids. You will receive a CNC design file in your email within seconds. If your plywood sheet is thicker or thinner than expected, we offer free updates on your design files. For purchase of $10 or more, we will send you a free Christmas tree design file. Just go to aribabox.com and make something amazing today.